My sister is pregnant and it's a baby boy. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be able to see them during the holiday season. So I want to do a little care package. And I'm in the process of working on this crochet project. It's like a baby blanket, but it's like a stuffed animal, but it turns into a blanket. I want to assemble this and get this package out in the mail. Here is like the blanket of the Lovey, and I'm gonna be making a bear. So I have its head, its arms, as well as its ears, although this looks like a complete mess at the moment. I've been working on this for a little bit now, and I would like just to assemble it, see if I wanna make any other projects. Also, I made my matcha. It's almost gone now. So as I mentioned, I already made the blanket, the head. The pattern does call for those like safety eyes, and I typically do put them in all like the stuffed animals that I make. But since I am planning on giving this to my nephew, I don't want any chance of a choking hazard. So we're definitely not gonna be doing that. We'll figure out how we want the eyes to look. This pattern does call for a border, which will be going around this big granny square blanket part. Now, don't know if this would look nice. I kind of want to have some contrast, so I'm thinking about putting this white. So the border is finished. This is what it looks like so far. This is the pattern that I'm using. So now it says finishing touches. It's gonna look something like this. So next I just have to sew the arms onto the head, onto the blanket.